22,995 stainless steel adjustable replacement blade, for PM1 clippers gray. Replacement blade for PM1 model clippers. Stainless steel blade. Offer premium cutting performance. Model number, 22,995. Power rating, 100 to 240 volts, 50/60ths of a hertz. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Top reviews from the United States. Makes your old clipper like new. I've had my old Andis PM-1 clipper for over 14 years and it still works great. The only purpose of this review is to clear up any confusion about the replacement blades. A reviewer incorrectly stated that item number 22,995 did not fit. 22,995 is the correct item number, which replaced the old item number 23,435.